afternoon, welcome. This is JAMB, 2010 Government Objective Past Question. Question number 4. The question says, a form of oligarchy in which gifted people are at the end of affairs is dash. A form of oligarchy in which gifted people are at the end of affairs is dash. So we are talking about forms of government, and when we talk of oligarchy is a system of government. Let's say it's a system of government in which few people rule. And basically oligarchy has two forms. We have what we call plutocracy, and we have what we call aristocracy. The plutocracy has to do with noble people. The aristocracy form of oligarchy is named after a great scholar in the ancient Greek society called Aristotle. And in the philosophy of Aristotle or aristocratism, they believe that there are special people that God gave wisdom to or knowledge, and these people, according to them in the ancient society, are called sophists. So, and the question is now saying that a form of oligarchy in which gifted people are at the end of affairs, that is at the corridor of power or government, is called dash. And let me add this: in the philosophy of Aristotle, let's say right from the theology are Socrates, that is the chief mentor, then followed by Plato. Then Plato was the teacher of Aristotle. While Socrates was the teacher of Plato. And these theologians believe in this slogan or phrase that let philosopher kings rule. So that it is wrong. Any society that votes a non-entity will suffer for it, will pay for it. So people that have knowledge, people that are intelligent, people that God give knowledge to, wisdom to, that understand the concepts, the principles of time and change, should rule. That is the philosophy of this scholar. So, and a form of oligarchy in which gifted people are at the end of affairs or government is that. So option D is correct, aristocracy. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.